How to add a ruler in your Microsoft Word document. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add a horizontal and vertical ruler in your Microsoft Word document. Now you can use the ruler for your alignment and your marginal purposes. You can use that to set up perfect margins, and there are many applications for it. Now before I teach you guys how you can add that, if you're new to App Hacks, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let us get started. First, after you've opened up your Word document, and if you don't notice any rulers up here or up here, all you need to do is head over to your view section here. You will see home, insert, draw, design, and so many more. And almost at the end, you will see a view option. Tap on it, and right down below under the show section, you will see ruler. Now tap on ruler, and there you go. You have the ruler. Now you can use the ruler to set up your margins here, or you can do the same from this side too. So yeah, that is basically how you do it, guys, and that is all for this video too. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.